Okay, what you're looking at is a nice little surface grinder. This is probably 5x10. That's probably why they call it a 5x10 surface grinder. This is Brown and Sharpe. It's a very nice little grinder. Let me turn it on for you. So what this is kind of like a die grinder's, a tool maker's grinder for grinding little dies. And they had one of these diaphragm dressers that were made in West Hartford, Connecticut by Pratt & Whitney. I don't know what's available for it yet. This is not complete. It's actually missing the diamond holder. It's possible you can find one someplace. We actually have one that's a little bit longer. I'll show you it later. That you could modify. The center height is a little different. Actually, what you'd have to really do would be to make up the difference on this plate underneath here, and you'd be back in business. You just need to bring the diamond on the center line there. And then you could dress complex forms and radii and convex and convex radiuses in that grinding wheel if that's what you wanted to do. You notice they don't have a hand wheel here. They have this lever. This is very easy to operate. I guess you would stand here and you just come down on your part. You know, your down feed hand wheel is up here. It's just something that, you know, people preferred certain kinds of machines. This is adjustable where this lever ends up, and then your cross is here. This is a super fine pole magnet. We'll get some pictures of that on the website. But the lines are like 15 thousandths apart, if not 10 thousandths or less. I can't even guess. But it's very fine pole. And you have these adjustable stops. And that's about it. It's 220 volts. Really nice shape. Really good looking machine. A nice a nice piece, conversation piece if you like. It's got a tension knob here if you want to take some of that tension off of this. Now this is also on roller bearings. So that's why this is so smooth, and there's a belt underneath there, a steel belt that goes around a nice big pulley. So you get a lot of torque, you get a lot of speed out of this for grinding dies. The part I was talking about is this here. It mounts up into here, and you've got a little screw you turn there. It's actually turning a ratchet, which drives this up on this little rack gear. So this is adjustable, but as you can see, the center height is wrong. But you could raise this whole unit up another inch or whatever it would take, 1.5 inches, 2 inches to get this back on center, and you'd have a very good dresser. Now this dresser is just gonna, either we're gonna take it off, or it's gonna just go out with the machine along with this. You know, you're actually buying the grinder, not the whole unit. So that's pretty much the whole thing. There's also on the side here a little Bijur single shot lubrication pump, so you can pump oil up to it. And it's a nice little grinder for somebody. Okay, thank you very much.